Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to draft, cut and stitch a single katori blouse in a very easy method. To make this blouse, we need a basic pattern used in any normal blouse which have 3 to 4 tucks in front panel, whereas katori blouse has a single wide tuck. So let's begin by marking the measurements onto paper. Here for length of the blouse is 14 plus 2, 16. Shoulder width is 13 inches, half of that is 6.5. So mark it 6.5. Take down the same measurement and mark 6.5. This way. Vertically and horizontally it should be 6.5 inches. Okay. The method of marking is similar to what was shown in my previous video. Please refer to that. Now just draw a line. Next, I'm going to mark neck width 3 inches. Here also you have to take 3 inches as width. Neck depth diagonally 7.5 inches. Now make a box. This is for our front neckline. Just from the corner of the box, mark 3 by 4 inch and then give a curve shape to our neck. Okay. Now half inch shoulder slope. Connect the line from shoulder to the neck. Then from the shoulder length, midpoint is 3. Shoulder length is 6 inches, mid of that is 3, mark 3 by 4 inches. Then we are going to mark back armhole at the distance of 1.5 inches. Half of that is 0.75, that's for our front armhole. Now give a freehand curve shape. This is a back armhole. Now similarly give shape to the front armhole, crossing over the marked point of reference. This way. Just darken it. Back and front armhole marking is done. Now take the midpoint of shoulder and the neck and measure. It's 4.75. Take the same measurements down. 4.75. Place the tape at the shoulder and mark bust point 10 inches. See, this is 4.75 only. Same I have taken down, and the bust point is from there 10 inches. So mark at 10 inches. Okay. Now from the bottom, mark 4 inch above on the left side, and on right mark 3 inches. Connect those points by drawing a line. This marking is done for the fashion putty. We need to give a little curve shape. Now I am going to mark chest point. Here chest is 42 plus 4 I have added, so 46. 1/4 of the 46 is 11.5, 2.5 inches extra for loosening purpose. Waist is 34. 1/4 of 34 is 8.5 plus 2.5 inches for loosening purpose. Now connect chest and the waist point by drawing the line this way. Now we'll mark from the neckline 4.5 inches down. Then next from the front armhole, from there 2 inches, and from the waistline 2 inches inside. So we got all 3 points. Connect those 3 points by giving katori shape like this. See, these are the 3 pieces. Now from the center just draw a line for the dart, and which should be total 3 inches. So take 1.5 inches either sides, draw a line connecting to the length of the dart, that is 3 inches. Now we'll cut along the mark. These are the 3 pieces. First we'll cut belt piece. That is yoke putty. Next, katori piece. And finally the third piece, that is side part. We need to cut along the front armhole shape. Then 1/2 inch shoulder slope. Now we have 3 pieces here. We'll take katori piece and trace it on another chart paper. Since we need a seam allowance, so we have to take new cutout. For that, some other measurement should be taken. Just mark the outline. Now from the button putty side we'll mark 1.5 inches. Since we need 3 inches pleats for the darts, so both the sides we have to take 1.5 inches. Here we have already marked 1.5 inches button putty side. Similarly, other side also 1.5 inches to mark. Here we need only 1/2 inch allowance. Just 2.5 inch above. From there you have to connect to the marked point to that point. See, this way. Connect those 2 points. Now measure it. It's 10.2. Now we have to mark the midpoint of 10.2, that is 5.1. Mark the midpoint 5.1. From there 1 inch down, 1 more point will get. Now connect these 2 points to the midpoint. Okay, this will be our new cutout. I'm going to use this new cutout on a fabric. Now we will cut along the mark. See, 1.5 inches this side. Just writing down the measurements for your reference. This is 1.5 inches. This is 10.2. Midpoint is 5.1, and the distance from there is 1 inch down. Okay. Now we'll cut the katori piece. Now place all the 3 pieces on the blouse material. Here we need seam allowance. I'll show later while cutting. It's very important that we need to place the katori cut on cross piece, which is more stretchable compared to the straight piece. Okay, mark the outline. After folding, we'll get the center dart. This way it will look. Next we'll take side part. Trace out as it is. We need to give seam allowance near the wide curve, 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I'm marking here. We'll attach katori here to this point. Now we'll trace out the belt piece. Belt piece is broad enough, so additional seam allowance is not required here. So these are the 3 pieces traced on the material. I'm just cutting out the pieces as per the marking. So cutting is done. Just placing the cutout on the fabric to give an idea of how these are to be attached together. See, like this. After giving that, it will match like this. Okay, this is the back part. I already marked down. Full length of the blouse is 14 plus 1, 15 I have marked. Neck depth is 10.5. neck width is 3 inches, shoulder 6.5, same measurements taken down 6.5, back arm at the distance of 1.5 curve shape yarn, half inch shoulder slope, neck width 3 inches. Here the dart is mid of the shoulder, that is 4.75, 3.5 inches length, half inch width. Now we'll cut out the fabric as per the marking. Give notch at the center. Here we are going to mark the dart, center dart, 1.5 inches both the sides. Just draw a dart. So all the 3 pieces are ready. Let's begin with the dart. Stitch along the mark. Give double stitch. Do the same with the other part also. See, now darts have been stitched. Now we are going to attach side part to the katori piece. It should be right on right side. Let me mark. This way it will come. This is wrong side and this one is right side. Similarly, right side and the wrong side, we will have to place right on right side and stitch them together. Here also we need to give double stitch to reinforce. Do the same thing with the other part. See, now we are going to attach yoke putty. We'll give curve shape by trimming off 1/4 inches by the middle. See, after stitch it will look like this. We have attached second part also. Both the parts are ready here. Just comparing with the cutout. Okay. Now I'm going to attach yoke putty. Place it on the waistline of the blouse, curve side. fold the tuck and complete the stitch. I have already shown in my previous video how to attach yoke putties. You can refer that in easy method of stitching sari blouse. Now I am going to attach second piece on the straight side, right on right side. This way to align it and stitch them together. Now give top stitch on the second putty this way. Next, fold the bodice part like this and stuff in between the two yoke putties and give stitch on first seam. After this, pull the bodice part out this way. The stitches have been concealed. See how neat it looks. Do the same with the other part. Since this is ready here. Now I'm going to stitch hook putty. Before that we need to trim off 1/4 inch near the neckline. We'll have good fitting. Fold the strip into half lengthwise. Fold in middle. Place it on the right on right. Stitch till the end. Now put the top stitch. Then fold it like this. Then turn inwards. Give a stitch on that. This is our hook putty. Similarly, we'll do the eye putty. Okay. Eye putty should be placed on the wrong side of the blouse. This is the wrong side. Here also we trimmed 1/4 inches from the neckline. Now just fold like this. One fold, second fold, stitch it on the right side of the blouse. Give a straight stitch. we will have to give one more stitch next to that, around 1/4 inch away. We'll stitch eyes for the hooks. So button putty and eye putties are ready. Now cut the extras, level it properly. Now we'll attach bias to the neckline. Mark here. I've taken 7.5 inches. Just mark there. From there only we have to stitch the bias. Front neck is 7.5. Half inch you need to leave for stitching purpose. Now fold bias putty this way, place it on the right side of the neckline and give a stitch. Complete till the other end. Now we'll give top stitch. Top stitch should be given on the bias putty. Do the same with the other part. After giving top stitch, we can fold easily inwards and can give hand stitch. I'll just show. See, like this to fold and give hem. Okay. Now we'll take back part. First complete the darts. Inch length and half inch width. Now I'm going to attach. Putty should be placed at the bottom of the back part. Like this. Wherever dart comes, there we need to give small pleat. By giving this, we can avoid wrinkles and can fold easily inwards. Give top stitch here too. This method I have already explained in my previous videos. How to stitch a sari blouse. Same method should be followed. Now fold and give basting stitch. That is nothing but temporary stitch. Once the hand stitch is given, we need to remove it off. Now I'm going to attach bias to the back neckline. Similarly, fold like this, place it on the right side of the neckline stitch along the neck. Need to leave 1/4 inch at the edge and complete the neckline. Give top stitch here too. Round neck we should always use bias putty. Only for the square neck we can use straight putty. So you can easily fold and can be stitched neatly this way. See, now we'll attach front panel and the back panel. This is the wrong side. Should place right on right side. I have marked already. Now we will attach these two pieces together. Stitch 1/2 inches down. Give double stitch. Do the same with the other part of the blouse. See, I have attached bias to the armhole. Since this is a sleeveless blouse, I am not going to attach sleeves. So I have completed by attaching bias to the armhole for neat finish. Now see here, all bias have been attached. Now we'll do the markings on the wrong side. Here chest is 42. Now we have to take the same measurement, not to include the additional inches. So 42 only to take. Front side 21 and back side 21 should be. 11 and 10, and armhole is half of 17, 8.5. Eight and a half. Waist 34, 1/4 of 34 is 8.5. So front side 17 inches, back side 17 inches. Total should be 34 inches. So you have taken 9 and other side 8. Okay. So back side how to mark, you know, no? Just to take midpoint, and from there we have to divide 17 inches. So 8.5, 8.5 both the side. Like this. Back neck is 10.5, front is 7.5. So I am done with the markings. Now I will stitch as per the marking. First seam should be double stitch, and next other 2 single stitches are to be given at the distance of 1/4 inches. Like this. Do the same way with the other side of the blouse. I am done with the stitching. We'll cut the extras, leaving 2 inches both the sides. This way. Now we have completed the blouse here. This is a completed one. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much once again. Bye bye.